Protect your crypto from swim swaps with Efani Mobile. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be telling you about swim swaps and data breaches that are around the world and how you can prevent them through Efani Mobile. Now, Efani is basically a cybersecurity application that you can download on your phones, and Efani makes sure to keep your phones and all of your data secure, okay? So, data breaches around the world are off the charts. In just the last few months alone, you have seen incidents like the National Data Group, which included 2.9 billion records of US citizens, Dell Computer, which affected over 49 million people, and Snowflake, which involved over 160 big corporations like insurance companies, Ticketmaster, and AT&T. So all of our data is exposed, including our social security numbers, emails, dates of births, and a whole lot more. So here's the deal. With our cell phones, there's a terrifyingly simple way that any of us at any time and in no time can lose some or all of our crypto, some or all of our money in our bank accounts, lose access to email, social media, important financial material accounts, and much more. It's known most commonly as SIM swap attacks and also known as SIM theft or SIM hacking. Now, SIM swapping is so easy that if scammers want you, they will most likely get you. Just look at the statistics. 8 out of 10 attacks on mobile numbers are extremely successful. Now, that 80%, which is an extremely high likelihood, we start converting or covering this dangerous incident, a lot of time back. Okay. So everything is at risk with your SIM swaps, and this is how you can get it solved. So, as ineffective pretty much all security measures are to prevent SIM swaps, there is 100% protection against it. So, say hello to Efani. Okay, so Efani is America's most secure mobile service that allows you to help you from SIM swapping. You can take charge of your protection where data privacy in the US and many other places does not exist anymore, as proven time and time again throughout the age of the internet. So we cannot really rely on people or their companies to protect our personal sensitive data. So we need to do our own due diligence and actively go ahead and take steps to lock down and secure our digital assets. And the first step is to become aware of one of the highest risks anybody today with a cell phone faces, a swapping, because the main reason to seriously consider Efani is for their SIM swap security services to protect ourselves from various people stealing our mobile accounts in order to access and steal our crypto money. Now, obviously, to start off with Efani, what you really need to do is you come over to Efani's website, and first of all, they're going to tell you why Efani. So their cell phone is connected to your bank accounts, email, social media, and other sensitive information. It's the number one target for hackers to steal funds or to take over your accounts for extortion. So we have 100% protection from SIM swaps, enforced 100-layer proprietary client authentication protocol, and mandatory 14-day cooling off period as last resort protection for porting out. You get $5 million insurance policy, and their unique insurance policy covers up to $5 million in losses if caused by a SIM swap hack. So if you want to go ahead and protect your SIM right now, simply click on Protect Your SIM Now. And what Ifani does is it takes you to their main portal where it connects you to their home account. Now, Ifani has different packages to work with. So we have the monthly $99 patch, or we have the annual $83 per month patch. And you can sign up right away and get Ifani for yourself. You can also choose number of lines you want for your security. Okay, that obviously depends on you and how you want to approach the security measures that you're about to take. So basically, once all of that is done, how does Ifani really work? What does Ifani really do? You can stop SIM attacks with America's most secure mobile service that we already know. So, what is the Ifani Safe Plan? Ifani replaces your current phone plan with coverage from one of America's two top mobile networks. You can keep using your existing phone number, or they can give you a new one instead. The whole porting process is hassle free and takes 10 minutes maximum. It's $99 per phone line, all taxes included, 60-day 100% money back guarantee with no contracts, which means you can pretty much obviously cut off Afani from your life at any time. You get unlimited call, text, and data in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. International data roaming with eSIM compatibility. You have 5G network speed, availability, and ultra low latency. And then you get customer service 24/7, 365 all the time. You also have a competitive edge because today's typical mobile operator is automated for efficiency, taking thousands of new SIM card requests per day, 99% of which are legitimate. Unfortunately, this kind of process is a goldmine for hackers, and hackers can easily bypass identity checks by stalking your social media profiles and guessing your security questions. So the solution is Efani blocking all SIM swaps by default. Then you get safety procedures like using 11-layer proprietary verification processes and 14-day cool-off period when a breach has been made. You get 100% success rate to date with great insurance coverage and a whole lot more. So this is a funny and how it can actually stop your phones from obviously being destroyed through different users and hackers. So yeah, that is pretty much the main idea of how you can protect your crypto from SIM swaps in the easiest and most simplest way. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.